Alright guys, good day everyone. I greet you all and I welcome you all to this week video. Today is Saturday and I'm done trading for this week. Today I would say it's a good week, though I didn't take any trade. I spotted one or two trades here and there, but I didn't take anyone. They didn't trigger me, but overall it is a good week as far as I'm concerned, because I followed my rule. I followed everything written in my rule. So not taking a trade this week is just my plan, just my trading plan. So there's nothing much to discuss this week. But then I also added one or two things to my trading plan, rules to follow, to help me to keep getting better. So I will go into the charts now, show you guys one or two trade setup that I spotted, but did not trigger me. Then I'll show you guys what I added to my plan, how it will help me to get better in my trading journey. So let's dive into the charts. Let me start from showing you guys the things I added to my plan. I want to be focusing on market direction now, and I want to be specific about it. If I'm bullish, I want to be only looking for buys, and if I'm bearish, I want to be looking for just sells. I don't want to be looking for buy and sell opportunity in the market. Again, I want to be specific about my market direction. If price is bullish, as long as I've established that this is a bullish market, I should ignore the sell price opportunity. Opportunities, and focus on the bullish side. And if I've established that this market, the price action is bearish, I should ignore anything about the bullish side and just focus on the bearish side. Some of you will ask me, why did you choose to trade this way? I choose to trade this way because looking at last month and last 2 months trade, as I'm going through it while I was studying the price action, I found out that if I had focused on one side of the market, which is bullish, because some of the pairs I'm trading has been bullish, like US 30 and NAS 100 have been bullish. If I had focused more on the bullish side, I will be ending the month profitable. So going through those trades, studying them, I found out that though bearish, as in the bearish side, sales opportunities also appear, they also come out, but then it sometimes gets me confused. So I want to be specific now. After analyzing my chart, I just established what I should focus on, and I will focus on that thing only. So how do I intend to improve in this area? Now this is what I've added. Let me go to my journal and show you guys. This is what I've added. If you come to my journal here, you will see weekly outlook, and you will see what again, bullish and bearish months. These are the things that I've added to help me choose my market directions. Now let me go to weekly outlook. So if you come to this weekly outlook, you will see that, let me go down. Okay, you will see that I have my pairs for this month of June. You will see that I have them, I've analyzed them, and I've journaled them here. Now I think I've completed this journal yesterday night. I just completed this one. So if you look at this, you will see that this is higher time frame, and you will see how I mark it up. 900 is still at all-time high. This is weekly time frame, and if you come to the daily, this is where I establish the phase of the market. So looking at this daily time frame, price action. Okay, looking at this daily time frame, price is on the continuation phase to the upside, which means daily time frame is still telling me that the market is bullish. Then I'll come down to 4 hours to determine the current order flow of the market. So looking at the 4 hours, looking at this 4-hour time frame, the current order flow is bullish, though price just took out a swing high, so there might be a pullback to take out internal range liquidities. So this is where I decide, okay, this market is bullish, but then swing high has been taken, because anytime market take out major liquidity, it tends to pull back a little bit to take out internal range liquidity before it continues to the upside. Now, since I've established this thing that NAS 100 daily weekly time frame is on the bullish side, daily time frame is on the bullish side, then 4 hour is still on the bullish side, though market just took out swing high liquidity, so there might be a pullback. Now what should I do? The only thing I need to do is just to wait. This is NAS 100 this week. If you see, this is, let me show you guys Monday. Okay, here, this is Monday here. So this is where Monday started. This is Monday. So all from this line here, all these things are what's happened this week. So you can see, looking at this market, you see that price has taken out swing high, so I'm expecting a pullback. So what is this pullback going to do for me? I want them to take out internal range liquidities. What are the internal range liquidities here? If you look at this low, this is internal range liquidity, this is internal range liquidity, this is internal range liquidity. If you look at this place, you will see that I marked out this side as my sell side liquidity, because this is the last place where market took out liquidity, tap into a demand, and then break structure properly. You understand? If I go to 4 hours, it will be very visible. Let me go to 4 hours. You see what happens. So if I want to mark this structure now, this is one leg for me. This is a push, then this is a pullback. So I'll be expecting another push to the upside. It's as simple as that. Now this is the noise I want to filter out. You see this pullback to take out internal range liquidities. I don't want to be participating in it again. I want to focus on the overall trend of the market. So on NAS 100, I'm bullish. So if markets want to play around with the bearish side, I'm okay. I'm just going to wait for it to happen, and then I will continue with my bullish narrative. So it's as simple as that. This is what I established this week on my trading plan. I had to add it. So if you look at all these things is my pay that I analyzed this week. This is the first week. Look at it, first week of June. Look at this place, you see that it's June. So this is how I want to be approaching the market now. And I also have my monthly and outcome, projection. I mean, so this is it. This is still June. If you look at it, you see my 4 pair here. This is NAS 100 US, that's US oil and gold, my 4 pairs here. And if you look at this place, I've analyzed this chart from 3 months time frame to 1 month time frame. So after analyzing them, I established my outlook for the month. So what am I looking for this month on NAS 100 is bullish month. I'm expecting the month of June to be bullish in NAS 100. So I should focus on buying. Any other opportunities coming out to this for the sell side is not valid for me. until my swing low is taken out, and I'm starting to see the bearish structure forming. That is when I will now start engaging in the sell side, which might take up to a month for that to happen, because my swing high or low might get invalidated, but then it will still take a little bit of time to start forming the bearish structure that I need to see to continue selling or buying, as in to tell me that the previous narrative for the pair is no longer valid. So this is it. Now let's go to my this week trading. Let's see. So this week I had, I think it's just June, just on gold and US oil. That is where I had an outlook for this week. So if you look at this is gold. This is what I was expecting. I think this was on Wednesday. Yeah, this was on Wednesday, just for this demand here to fail. I know many people were buying gold, but I have established my plan. I know I'm bearish on gold until there's a sell side liquidity I'm expecting gold to take out. I think that is around 4,000, 4,001, I think. So I was just expecting this demand to fail, so I can give me a liquidity and I can take a sell from there. But if you look at it, let me show you. This is the outcome. You can see the demand failed, but failed to give me my framework to take the sell. This was on Wednesday, Thursday. Then on Friday, I have another setup on gold. Though I did not journal, I did not put it on my outlook. But let's see what again my daily forecast. Then another one on US oil. So this is my outlook on US oil. This was on, okay, I think this one is on Friday. Yeah, had this set up on Friday. So you can see this is the outcome. It did not trigger me. So on that Friday, I also have another setup on gold. Yeah. So yeah, this is the gold setup. There was a group I'm in. So a lot of people catch this sell. See this sell from here, this mitigation from here. A lot of them got it from here, and they were targeting this low. But selling from here was not valid for me. I prefer this one. See this sell, this one is more valid to me, because this mitigation here, if I'm taking this trade, I won't be able to cover this. So, but this one give me a clean with nice inducement. It's just so unfortunate that the pullback was not able to mitigate. But it was a clean sell. Then those people that got it from here also ride the sell. Then I have another setup on US oil. So this is it. This was my I analyzed this market on Thursday. I think Thursday. But still play around from that Thursday till Friday. If it got to this my POI on that Friday, I still would have taken it. But now I don't think this trade is still valid, because I'll be expecting this supply to fail. And when this supply fail, I will just need an inducement to take my buy, to my sell, from somewhere here. I won't be expecting this market to come here. All these things will become internal range liquidity that market might come from after it has taken out this swing low liquidities, all these lows. Immediately market took it out, I will be expecting all the internal range liquidity that will be created to come and then sweep them out before we continue the sell. So this is the only two setup I saw this week. None of them triggered me. It's just patient, and I've decided that no matter what it takes, I must be patient on this market, execute my plan. Even if I'm going to lose, I'm going to take a very good loss. Not acting with emotions. Stick to my plan. That is my number one priority. Stick to my plan. Obey my rules. That is my number one priority. Now, though I've been doing this for a very long time, but sometimes there is some losses that you take, it will get into you. But that is it for this week, and I will catch you guys next week. Please, if it's your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do well to like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm wishing you guys a lovely weekend and a profitable week ahead.